I'm so tickled to show you this insulated cat house. This was actually gifted to me in exchange for telling you about it. When it was offered to me, the first people I thought of were my sister and her husband who help neighborhood feral cats. And I reached out to them and they agreed to assemble this and put it out for their feral cats, and they're thrilled about it. So thrilled. It was actually fairly easy to put together, they said. I'm showing it to you here. This here is actually the roof, and it's like a composite roof on a house. It's got that kind of rough feeling, which is also great for scratching on and weatherproofing this house. Now, this here, this is one of the insulated pads that completely lines the inside of it and makes it so comfortable and really warms it up in the cold weather of the winter. Now, Larry's going through this here and he's going to pull all the pieces out and take a look at how they go together. Now, this is the front of the house here. It's actually the inside of the front panel. On one side there, it's actually going to be on the right-hand side when you're looking at it from outside. The door is a flap that goes back and forth, and the other one are strips of a very heavy-duty vinyl. Now, this here is all of the pieces. And what's really great about how they send them to you is that all the holes are pre-drilled and all of them are numbered or lettered so that they're really easy to follow the directions all the way through. They started by attaching the latch there on the side door, which is really helpful for the summer to let them have another place to go in and out, also for an easy way for you to slide in. Now he's working on the base here, and the base is actually going to lift the house about 10 inches off of the ground. And that is great for clearance for water and for any other type of moisture that might be out in the cold weather. Again, he's just working on it. He decided to use a drill because that was a lot easier than cranking on a screwdriver, and it really did make it a quicker process. Now he's going to go ahead and put the walls together here, and those black stripes are actually Velcro that will allow the lining, those pads that are there, to Velcro to the wall all the way around and on the floor. And again, that's just going to make it much easier to take the padding out and throw it into the washing machine. You literally can just toss it in the washing machine, but don't put it in the dryer. Just let it air dry if it gets really dirty inside. So they've got the walls together and they laid it on its side so that they can actually attach the walls to the base. It makes it pretty easy to do this, and it, again, just following the directions all the way through makes it super easy. The directions were fairly clear, so there wasn't much confusion on it. My sister did help as far as holding some of the pieces and things like that, but the bulk of it could be done just with one person. So this is what it looks like once the walls have been attached to the base. Still needs the little deck out front and the floor inside. You can see here in front of the doors, that's where a deck is going to go. That deck is about roughly 9.5 inches, and then the inside is roughly 19.5 inches from front to back. And then the whole unit is about 40 inches or so. And from the ground up to the top of it is about 31 inches. So the deck there, you can see it's got little slats in it, and there's like space between the slats so that water, rain, or whatever can drip down through it. And both the deck and the flooring inside just drops in, and then you screw it down so that it stays nice and easy. Okay, then it was time to put the roof on it, and you just add the hinges to the back here, and it's actually going to open up really nicely in the front like that, and it just works beautifully. You can see all of those stripes of black inside. Hi, Larry, I see you there. Thank you for making this, Larry. I really appreciate it. And those black strips are actually Velcro, and all of the insulating pads that are going to go in there all of them have Velcro on the back of them as well. So they all just go in there nice and neat. And oh gosh, look at that. Isn't that amazing? And so easy to just pull those pads out, toss them in the washing machine, let them dry, just air dry. And it's going to be so comfortable for their feral kitties that come to visit. I just love that they take care of all of these cats and give them such love and feed them and take care of them. And just is so, so sweet. This is really great. I love that it has the openings there so that they can come in through the front really easy. Those openings are actually just about 8 inches tall and about 9.5 inches side to side. And this is great. Also, this is going to show you real quick that it is waterproof. He's just going to go ahead and hose it down here like a really, really hard rain. That's going to be a really severely hard rain. But this is just to show you that it is dry afterwards. It is insane how wonderful this is going to be for their feral kitties, which they love so much. I think this is so great.